Okay, I have a Brother 9130CW printer, and we're going to show you how to go and reset a toner cartridge so that it won't be shutting down your printing activity and allow you to print until you get a new toner cartridge in place. I want to show you quickly where the keyboard is here. The keyboard here is now lit, and it's this asterisk button right here that's going to be important to us. So you just want to locate where it is so when the lights go off, you still know exactly where it is. Okay, so what you have to do is open the printer. And you want to come right about an inch away from this X. And you want to hold that asterisk for 5 seconds. You can see now that a new menu came up. And the K stands for black. The C stands for the sign in or blue. The M is magenta, and the Y is yellow. So you have to pick the cartridge you have. We're going to reset the yellow standard. There's a yellow toner, high capacity, a yellow toner standard. So we're going to go ahead and hit, we touched it, now we're going to hit reset. It accepted that. We're going to go ahead and close the printer after we told it to reset. I'm just going to go through its process. Sometimes it can take up to a minute or two for it to do this. Okay, it's complete now and came back to the home screen. You can see the yellow is showing full right there, but we can also pull it up in detail here. Hit toner life. And you can see the yellow shows that it's been reset back at 100%. I've already reset these others too recently. So what you can do now is it allows your printer to keep printing. A lot of times your toner cartridge is really not empty. They're using a counter to estimate when the toner is empty. So this allows you to reset it. It will continue to print. And even if the toner cartridge does run empty, it's still going to allow you to print, say, a black and white. If the yellow is empty, you can still print the other colors, and it won't lock the printer up until you get a new cartridge.